Hi, hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel Balakrishna Kwesa. It's been a very long time that I have released the video on YouTube channel, so I couldn't find time, so I was not able to do that. So please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for the latest updates which are related to my channel. So this is a simple video which is related to the demonstration of how the balloons with water react under pressure. So this is one of the simplest physics videos which explains the phenomenon of blasting themselves when you insert a small needle into it with full of water. So now let's take an example. So this is one of the balloon which is filled with the water, and now what we're going to do is we're going to puncture it with the help of a small pin. And when you see this, you can clearly observe the contact of the point where exactly it is hitting. So that is a place where all the elastic fibers which are related to the balloon gets blasted, and the entire water which is present inside occupies the shape of the balloon. Now let's observe the same thing with some of the balloon which we have done here. Now take the example of this. Now you can clearly observe the crack that is produced on the balloon is created with the help of the small needle. So the direction of the needle which is pierced will define the crack of that particular. Now let's see the example of this. Now when the balloon is punctured, you can see the epicenter or the track is going exactly at the center. So this is how you can easily do it with a slow motion video. All these videos are captured with the help of iPhone 12 Pro Max with a frame rate of 1080p at 250 to 280 frames per second. This is one more example which we have done, and you can clearly see how the blast opens. Now you can see the same thing that happens in a reverse direction, how it goes back. So the same clip is taken into the reverse direction. Now when we are creating this particular video, we are very helpful for few students. He is Mr. Lingeshwar, who is studying 6th class. So he has done a very good work when we are doing this particular video. So thanks to him for this. And if you observe the shape of the balloon after falling onto his face, you can clearly see it will occupy the entire space which is related to his face. After that, it goes out because of the pressure which is inside and outside, and it goes into the different shapes because of the pressure that is created outside and inside. Now he is another student. He is Mr. Rohit, who is studying class 4, a funny guy. So he will also do the same thing. So he is going to have the balloon on his face. So see, you can see the complete face being covered with a big balloon which is filled with water. So as I said, he is Mr. Lingeshwar. So once again, so now he is going to have a hit of a water balloon with water with his friend Raju. Now you can see very clearly, it's so amazing that it gets blasted up and the water gets shimmered and the water gets into different directions based on the pressure that is applied on the water balloon. So last but not the least is Mr. Raju, who has helped us in creating this particular video. So when his friend is throwing a balloon at him, it went into a completely different direction. So hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.